My name's Rick Lawarner. I'm the Managing Director of Australian Workstation Manufacturers, and we manufacture systems furniture. I had a great experience with Central Steel. We dealt with a young man called Alistair. He was extremely helpful. The company's based in Victoria. We're obviously in New South Wales. We decided at the end of the day that we'd go with an Australian supplier. They provided the drawings, they provided the design. It was a very specific design that we wanted to actually have the building design to. What we needed to do was I wanted to basically consolidate our production program. So we knew that we were going to get a lot of weather. We knew that La Nina was going to hit. I saw your trusses and I spoke to my engineer, and we worked backwards and designed a building that was capable of spanning this big distance. I had the trusses designed to withstand an incredible amount of hail. So we're future-proofing the building, because in this area of Sydney, it's prone to hailstorms. With these flat roof buildings, with all the infrastructure on the roof, the hail doesn't dissipate, and new buildings have collapsed if the trusses aren't strong enough or haven't been built appropriately. We actually calculated through a previous experience back in 2015 that the roof needs to take 100 kilos of hail per square metre. So each of our trusses are 6 metres wide by 28 metres long. So each of the trusses will take approximately a live load of about 8 tonnes per truss. We drilled down and put all the piers in for the new columns for our structural steel building, put our pier caps on, had Central Build come in and stand all the steel structure. I purchased a crane. Because I'm in construction, we then craned all the precast panels into position. We then had Central Build come back and put the roof on, and the gutters and the downpipes. Then we excavated the site. So all this construction went on in an enclosed structure. So we didn't lose one day through wet weather. Construction workers on the site weren't subject to working in the elements of the hot sun, rain, wind, or anything like that. Look, I'd definitely build with Central Steel again. Look, the product's a great product, like it is Australian made. We had no issues at all with anything had to go back to the fabricators. It was designed on computer. They were incredibly helpful and accommodating when design changes went about. And look, it's up here, it's stood, it's worked really well, and we're really pleased.